Number 1.
1985 Ford Ranger, price $5,000. It has been carefully maintained and has only 88,000 original miles on the odometer. It is powered by a reliable 2.3-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission, offering dependable performance and an enjoyable driving experience. The truck runs very well and remains in all original condition, making it a great example of a vintage Ranger. Finished in its original blue exterior with a matching blue interior, it still wears its factory paint, which has developed a desirable natural patina over the years while remaining completely rust-free. It comes with a clean title, has successfully passed the California smog inspection, and reflects the quality of a genuine California-owned truck. Whether you're looking for a reliable classic pickup, a collectible original survivor, or a solid truck to enjoy on weekends, this 1985 Ford Ranger is an excellent choice that is ready to drive and appreciate.
Number 2.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800. It has 181,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a black exterior with a blue interior, giving the truck a classic appearance. This extended cab model comes fully loaded with power windows, power locks, tilt steering, and cruise control, all of which are in good working order. The truck runs excellent. The air conditioning blows ice cold, and it rides on a good set of tires and wheels. It has been well maintained and remains in good condition both inside and out. While it could use a little TLC, the owner originally planned to fully restore it but no longer has the time to complete the project. Even so, it is in remarkably good condition for a 35-year-old truck and continues to run great.
Number 3.
1990 Ford F-250, price $5,800. This truck has 149,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by the legendary 7.3L diesel engine, paired with a durable 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in a classic brown exterior with a matching brown interior, this rugged 4x4 is equipped with manual locking hubs, making it well suited for both off-road adventures and demanding work applications. The truck has been very well maintained over the years and continues to run and drive exceptionally well, offering the reliability and performance that these classic Ford diesel trucks are known for. With its powerful diesel engine, this F-250 delivers outstanding torque and is capable of towing just about anything, making it an excellent choice for hauling trailers, equipment, or recreational vehicles. Since it is diesel-powered, no smog inspection is required in applicable areas, adding to its convenience for the next owner.
Number 4.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,900. Dependable and well-maintained classic truck that makes an excellent daily driver. Powered by a reliable 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, it delivers a comfortable and dependable driving experience. The truck has 238,000 miles on the odometer and features a clean blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a classic and distinctive appearance. It comes equipped with power windows for added convenience, along with brand new rims and tires that enhance both its look and performance. Best of all, the truck is completely rust-free, making it a solid choice for anyone seeking a durable OBS Chevy pickup that is ready to drive and enjoy right away.
Number 5.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $10,000. Well-maintained full-size pickup with 211,000 miles and is powered by the legendary 5.3L Vortec V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in a silver exterior with a tan interior, this rear-wheel drive extended cab offers a comfortable and dependable driving experience. The truck comes equipped with a heavy-duty trailering package, tow hooks, and a locking rear differential, making it well-suited for towing and hauling. It also features dual power front seats and cruise control for added comfort on long drives. A total of 57 certified Carfax records are available, reflecting its documented service history and ownership. Running on gasoline, the Sierra is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable, capable, and classic GMC pickup that is ready for daily driving or work duties.
Number 6.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This truck has 194,000 miles and is powered by a dependable V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The engine runs well, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable full-size pickup. The air conditioning works properly, providing a comfortable driving experience in warm weather, while the power windows add extra convenience for everyday use. Finished in a distinctive gold exterior with a matching gold interior, this truck has a classic look that stands out from the crowd. It also comes equipped with 15-inch Eagle alloy wheels wrapped in brand new 295/50 or 15 tires, giving it an upgraded appearance along with improved grip and handling.
Number 7.
2003 Nissan Frontier, price $5,995, well-maintained compact pickup with only 75,000 original miles, making it an excellent option for anyone looking for a low-mileage and dependable truck. It is equipped with a rare manual transmission, offering a more engaging driving experience that is becoming increasingly difficult to find. Finished in a clean silver exterior with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered Frontier has been well cared for and runs and drives exceptionally well. The truck comes with a clean title and has recently passed a fresh smog inspection, providing added confidence for its next owner. Its low original mileage, strong mechanical condition, and reliable performance make it suitable for both daily driving and light-duty work. Combining practicality, fuel-powered reliability, and the appeal of a hard-to-find manual gearbox, this 2003 Nissan Frontier is ready for its next owner to enjoy for years to come.
Number 8.
2002 Chevrolet S10, price $6,000. It has 185,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. It features a beige exterior with a gray interior and comes equipped with power windows and power door locks, making it a comfortable and practical daily driver. The truck has been well cared for and is being offered by its third owner. It comes with a clean title in the current owner's name, along with 2 keys and 2 keyless entry fobs. A significant amount of recent maintenance has been completed to keep the truck in reliable running condition. Recent repairs include 4 new shocks, new rear tires, a new starter, fan clutch, radiator hoses, battery, alternator, brake line hoses, and a complete brake fluid flush.
Number 9.
1998 Dodge Dakota, price $2,600, with 183,000 miles on the odometer. It features a green exterior, a tan interior, and is powered by a gasoline engine. As a two-wheel drive truck, it has been used as a reliable daily driver that starts easily, runs smoothly, and drives great. The truck has no check engine lights, recently received a fresh oil change, and is equipped with newer tires on all 4 corners. While the exterior shows some paint fading, it remains solid overall and mechanically sound. The automatic transmission shifts exceptionally smoothly, and everything functions properly, including the heat, radio, power windows, alarm system, and cruise control. The truck has also been fully washed and vacuumed, making it clean and ready for its next owner to drive home. It comes with a clean title.
Number 10.
1997 Ford F-150, price $2,300. This truck is equipped with a reliable 4.6L V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission and has 216,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a clean white exterior with a comfortable tan interior, this 4-wheel drive pickup offers the capability and durability that the F-150 is known for. It runs and drives well, making it a dependable option for daily driving, work, towing, or weekend adventures. The air conditioning works properly and blows cold, providing added comfort during every drive. Powered by a gasoline engine, this truck has been well cared for and continues to perform reliably despite its mileage.